Rice water and castor oil hair growth recipe is an effective natural remedy that promotes healthy hair growth. To prepare this recipe, start by soaking half a cup of rice in water for 30 minutes, then strain the liquid to get the rice water. Next, you'll need 1 tablespoon of castor oil and optionally 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil, along with a few drops of peppermint or lavender oil to enhance the benefits. Mix the rice water and castor oil thoroughly in a bowl, then add the sweet almond oil and your choice of peppermint or lavender oil. Apply the mixture to your scalp and massage gently in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes to stimulate hair growth. After massaging, distribute the mixture along the length of your hair, focusing on the ends, then leave it on for 1 hour, covering your hair with a plastic cap for better results. After an hour, wash your hair with a mild shampoo and lukewarm water to remove the mixture. For noticeable results, use this recipe twice a week to effectively promote hair growth. With regular use, you'll notice significant improvements in your hair's length and thickness, thanks to the nourishing properties of rice water and castor oil. This recipe not only nourishes your hair but also strengthens hair follicles, reduces hair loss, and improves scalp health. Rice water is rich in vitamins and minerals that promote hair growth and health, making it an essential ingredient in this recipe. Castor oil strengthens the hair, while sweet almond and peppermint oils enhance scalp health and add a natural shine to your hair. Incorporating this simple yet effective recipe into your hair care routine can lead to healthier, more vibrant hair over time. Track your progress by documenting your hair growth journey, as seeing beautiful results can be both motivating and rewarding. Creating this hair growth recipe is not just about the ingredients. It's a delightful experience that nurtures both your hair and your self-care routine. Once prepared, store your rice water and castor oil mixture in a cool place to keep it effective for your future applications. Enjoy the journey to longer, thicker hair as you witness the positive effects of using natural ingredients in your hair care regimen.